Hey, mathematicians, welcome back. This is your number talks for December 21st. I want to remind you, if you are doing this with your teachers, to use your hand signal. So, a hand on your chest means that you are thinking, one thumb up means that you have either the difference or you have a strategy, and each additional finger you add is that you have a strategy to help you solve it, or more than one strategy to help you solve it. All right, so let's begin. Here I have 75 minus 40. I'm going to give you guys a second to think about this. All right, so let's solve this. So here, oops, I didn't realize it was so small. Jesus. All right, so here I have 75 minus 40. I'm going to adjust the 75. So I'm going to adjust the minuend, which is my first number. So I'm going to add 5 to that to turn that into an 80. So my open parentheses, 75 plus 5, close parentheses, minus 40. And that's the same thing as 80 minus 40. So I'm going to solve my new number sentence. 80 minus 40 is equal to 40. But notice that I changed my subtrahend. And I highlight that. So I changed my subtrahend, which is my first number. And because I subtracted from a much larger number, I have to take that away from here because I subtracted more than what was necessary from my first number. So I have to remove that from here. So I'm going to take that away from my difference here. So 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. And I'm going to rewrite my original number sentence. So 75 minus 40 is equal to 35. Was that what you guys got? I bet it was. All right, let's move on to the next one. I have 79 minus 39. Again, I'll give you an opportunity to think. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video so that you can get your work written down and show us your strategy. Oh, and I forgot. Up here, what I was doing was I was adjusting one number to make an easier problem. Remember, you also have to name your strategy. So let's do this one again. We have 79 minus 39. I'm going to give you a chance to think through this. All right, so I have 79 minus 39. This time I'm going to adjust the minuend, the subtrahend. Actually, no, minuend. The minuend, the number that I'm taking away. Right? This is what I'm minusing. The minuend is what I'm taking away. So I'm going to adjust this and make this a friendlier number for me to work with. So here I have 79 minus 39 plus 1. And that's the same thing as writing 79 minus 40. So now that I have my new number sentence, I'm just going to remove those 40 from that 79, and I know that that answer is 39. I almost forgot to highlight this so that I know I have to take that away. I have to add that back at the end. I'm sorry. So here I have 39 plus 1 is equal to 40. Now I have to go back in and write down my original number sentence. So I have 79 minus 39, and that is equal to 40. I bet that's the same thing you guys got. And the strategy that I used was adjusting to make an easier number sentence. All right, are we ready for the next one? Here we have 75 minus 39. You thinking? All right, so let's work on this. So I have 75 minus 39. And again, I'm going to adjust the minuend, which is the number that I am taking away. I'm turning this into a 40. So I have 75 minus 39 plus 1. Let me put this in a parentheses. There we go. And that's the same thing as writing 75 minus 40. Now that I know that I can do this, let me just remember to highlight this that I'm adding to my minuend. 75 minus 40 is 35. Now I have to adjust, right? Because I took one too many away, so I have to add that one back to this number here. So I have 35 plus 1, and that is 36. I'm going to rewrite my original number sentence, and that is 75 minus 39 equals 36. Is that what you guys got? All right. Great job, mathematicians. Now on to our last number talks for today. Here is 77 minus 39. The strategy that I've been using is adjusting to make an easier number problem. All right, so let's solve this one. Here I have 77 minus 39. And I want to show you how to solve this one with changing the subtrahend and the minuend. So the first number and the second number. So the first one that I want to show you is adjusting the subtrahend, which is our first number here. So I can do that by turning this 77 into 80. So I'm going to open my parentheses, 77 plus 3 minus 39. And that's the same thing as writing 80 minus 39. Now I'm going to solve my new number sentence. And this is my new number sentence. 80 minus 39 is 41. Now, since I adjusted my minuend, which is my first number, my subtrahend, I'm sorry, this first number is called the subtrahend. Since I adjusted my subtrahend and I got 41, I need to remove those 3 from here because that wasn't part of the original equation. So 41 minus 3, and that is 38. I'm going to rewrite my new number sentence, my first original number sentence. So this was my new number sentence, and I'm going to rewrite my first original number sentence. So that's 77 minus 39, and that is equal to 38. Now, I want to show you how I can solve this using the same strategy, but instead of changing the subtrahend, the first number, I'm going to change the minuend. So I'm going to insert another text box here, and I'm going to show you how I would solve that with changing the minuend this time, the minuend being the second number. So I had 77 minus 39, and I'm going to leave the subtrahend alone, which is the first number, and I'm going to change my minuend. So I'm going to turn my minuend into 40, and that's the same thing as writing 77 minus 40. Next, I'm going to solve my new number sentence. So 77 minus 40, and that is 37. And I remember that since I changed my minuend, again, that is the second number, I'm going to add that back here at the end. So I have 37 plus 1, and that equals 38. I'm going to rewrite my original number sentence, 77 minus 39, and I know that that is 38. All right, great job, mathematicians. Bye.